In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode in Microsoft Copilot. Here's the key idea up front. Copilot usually doesn't have its own dedicated dark mode switch. Instead, it follows the theme from wherever you're using it, on the web, inside Microsoft Edge, or as the Windows app. I'll walk you through each scenario so you can choose the one that matches how you use Copilot. Let's start with Copilot on the web. Open your browser and go to copilot.microsoft.com. When the page loads, look to the top right and click your profile icon in the menu or settings panel that appears. Find the option labeled Appearance or Theme. Select Dark if you want Copilot to switch immediately and stay that way. If you prefer it to adapt automatically, choose Use System Setting. With that option, Copilot will match your Windows or your browser's theme so it changes between light and dark without any extra effort from you. Next, if you use Copilot in the Microsoft Edge sidebar, set Edge itself to dark mode and Copilot will follow. Open Microsoft Edge, select the three dots in the top right, then choose Settings. Go to the Appearance section and under Theme, pick Dark. Because Copilot in Edge follows the browser's theme, the sidebar updates to dark right away. This keeps your browsing and Copilot experience consistent, and you only need to set it once in the browser. Now, if you're using the Copilot app on Windows 11, the system theme is what matters. Open the Settings app, go to Personalization, then Colors. Under Choose Your Mode, select Dark. The Copilot app and many other Microsoft apps will follow that system theme automatically. This is the simplest approach if you want a single switch that keeps your entire desktop, apps, and Copilot in sync. One important note before we wrap up: Copilot typically does not include a separate always-on dark mode toggle that overrides everything else. It mostly follows your Windows theme, your browser theme in Edge or other browsers, and your overall system settings. So if a dark setting in one place doesn't seem to stick, double-check the theme where you're actually running Copilot. Also, interfaces can change over time, so if the exact wording looks a little different, look for Appearance or Theme in your profile menu or settings area. And that's it. Whether you're on the web, in Edge, or using the Windows app, you now know exactly how to get Copilot into dark mode.